Tap the search button to move to the video search screen. Use the search bar to find the video you're looking for. Once you select a video, the Add to Library button will become active. Tap it to add the video to your library. You can check your added videos by tapping the library icon. To add more, just swipe from the left edge to go back to the search screen and repeat the process. Now, let's head over to the edit screen. Select the video you want to edit from your library. You can swipe through the timeline or pinch to zoom in and out for precision. Simply tap the Cut button at the start and end points to add as many clips as you need. A clip starting at 0:09 has been added. Now let's tap Cut again at the end point. And there we go. A clip ending at 0:15 is ready. Let's create a second clip the same way. Once you've made all your clips, give your Mylist a name. Adding tags makes it even easier to organize your Mylists later. You can also give each individual clip its own title. If you open a clip, you can type in quick notes or reminders. Now let's save it. Your personalized Mylist is complete. All that's left is to enjoy it on the home screen. Tap any clip to jump instantly to that specific scene. This button lets you set the action for when a clip ends. By default, it's set to stop. Next, we'll automatically play the next clip in your list. Loop repeats the current clip indefinitely. Tap this button to view the video's original description. And this one displays your saved clip notes. That's the basic workflow. Now, let's look at a few handy features. Tap the three-dot icon and select Create New to start a fresh Mylist. Let's pick a different video from the library this time. Notice the triangle markers on the timeline. These appear automatically if the original YouTube video has chapters. When you see these markers, you can import all chapters at once with a single tap. Give it a name and save it. Check your new Mylist on the home screen. And that's the basics of Tube Indexer. Start cutting your favorite clips and build a library that works for you. Enjoy!